This is the brand new Everyday Backpack Zip by Peak Design. Based on our award-winning Everyday Backpack, the Zip is visually and functionally simpler. A super clean, urban-inspired bag, versatile enough for everyday carry or photo carry. Instant top and side access via a 270-degree zip. Inside, you'll find customizable organization that's protective and keeps things in place. There's a spot for your laptop, tablet, documents, sunglasses, cords and tech, and even a place for your keys. Outside, a weatherproof shell keeps it all safe. Need to carry more? No problem. All-day comfort, travel ready, delightful details, and durability you can rely on, all in a brilliantly simple form, built from thoughtful materials. The Everyday Backpack Zip, everyday carry, simplified, by Peak Design.